So another analysis you might want to do is an analysis to ask if there's a relationship between length and weight. So in other words, to ask if there's a significant relationship between two continuous variables. So to do that, you again go to Analyze, then Fit Model. And so depending on what your hypothesis was, you might think that length was causing weight, and so you might have weight as the response variable, and so you click on Run, and it shows you that indeed they look like they are related, and if you go to effect tests, you can see that the effect is highly significant. Oh, there's a little pop-up telling me how to interpret such a small p-value. So basically it means that I can reject the null hypothesis. It's also provided estimates of the slope, which is this 0.929 here, and the intercept, right? It's basically fitting a straight line to the data.